How you doing, everybody? Todd Uminski. Congratulations, you made it to 2024. What are you going to do different this year? You're going to do something that's going to make your dreams come true. You're going to be a leader. You're going to write down your goals, figure out how to get from A to B. You're going to work smarter, not harder. What are you going to do different? You're going to get to the gym, lose the weight you need to lose, or just get in better shape by eating a little better? Is it only going to last 1 month, or are you going to make it last throughout the year? You're going to change your lifestyle to get these things done that you've always wanted to get done. It's just all up here in your mind. You got to just change. It's not as hard as you think, because you're the one thinking it. If you're the one thinking it and keep on thinking negative or keep on thinking you can't, well, guess what? It's you. So stop doing that. Switch it. Say, I can. I can. Wake up in the morning. I can eat better. I can go exercise. I can figure out my goals and dreams. What do you want? What do you want? It's 2024. Look at all these years that go by. Come on, people. Do something different this year. It's up here in your mind. You can do it. You know, I've been there in the past where, you start off a new year and you start and you do things for a few months here and there, and then all of a sudden it just gets back to the same old, same old. You want to keep going back to the same person, or you want to be someone new every day? Be that new person. You can do it. Get out there and do it. Hope this helps someone out there. Enjoy 2024. Have a beautiful life, beautiful day. We'll talk to you soon.